In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to use GetResponse, the email marketing service provider, GetResponse. And first of all, for the beginners who don't know what is GetResponse or what is email marketing, I would like to give a very little brief that GetResponse is a email marketing service provider, and it helps you to send your emails to your subscribers or the people who have subscribed to your blog or any other opt-in form which you have kept at any place. So it helps you send the email messages, and there are plenty of email service providers, but in my opinion, see, it completely my opinion, in my opinion, GetResponse and Aweber and Sendy, these three are the best email service providers. GetResponse and Aweber is like very advanced for very advanced users also, and although they are very simple to use, but it has quite a lot of advanced features, so you can use them. And Sendy is for the simple reason that it is simple to use, one, and the it is very much cost effective. So if you are a beginner, you can start with Sendy because it's a very simple tool. Well, as for now, we will go for GetResponse, and I will just show you quickly, very quickly, how to use GetResponse. So what we will do is, where am I? Yeah, here I am. Photo on top. Yeah, this is cool. So GetResponse. Okay, what I will do is, rather than logging into my already existing account, I will just go for the new account so that it will be easier for you to grab my email. Okay, I will put a random email ID so that my, this email ID I keep for testing things. Once done, we just send you an email. Okay, go to my email. Not this one. Um, yeah. Alright, activate your account. It gives you a 30-day interruption. Actually, my number was already subscribed with GetResponse, so it was asking me for a new number. So I did it with a friend's number. So anyways, let's get started. See, this is your new email panel. This is my new email panel. So GetResponse, and what you need to do first up is, you need to click on this particular link. Alright, and then you need to click on create campaign. So what it will do is, it will give you a new campaign name. You can give it any campaign name. Let's suppose I will give it the name test 1. Alright, and I will click on create campaign only. Okay, test 1. This response database, please choose a different name. Alright, Maddie Panyar 1 2 3 4 5. Is it good? Alright, okay. So see, first of all, first you have to click on create campaign. Now our campaign is successfully created. So now what you can do is, you can go to create form option, so that you can create a form for this particular campaign. Now over here, See, you have got many options. First of all, you have got many themes to choose from. So it is completely up to you which theme to select. For example, this is the complete PNG theme. Then you have this particular theme, black color, and so on. You have many themes. So it will depend particularly on your choice. So which theme you want to select. Like, this is a very good theme if you are willing to promote it during the Christmas season. So this is a good theme. So you can select it. This is completely up to you. We will go ahead with this particular simple theme, and mm, email marketing by no, I will remove this option. We respect your privacy. Yeah, good. And see, the name and email feature is inbuilt by default. And what you can do is you can add many features. For example, um, you can add anything you want to add. For example, you want to add age, so you can add it over here. Or you want to add company. Alright, so anything that you wish to enter in this particular thing, or you want the mobile number of your subscriber, so anything that you wish to enter, so the option is available. And see, form type, body, header, input, submit button, so everything is there. And these are all the custom fields, so you can add anything you want to enter. You want your subscriber to enter their URL, their web address, so this can be done. And um, I want to edit this thing, like for example, I want to, rather than heading, I want this to be um, let's give it Madibanya, anything. See, it's your requirement, but I will just go ahead with this thing. So the form will come up like this, or you can drag the size, you can resize it, so this can be done. So it's quite simple. And you have reference fields, comment, gender, home phone, state, reference, street, work phone, anything that you want to enter. And there is option for add new field over here. And label X, Y, Z. And is for example, if you don't find something which is ever in here, so you can create your custom field. So you can give it a label XYZ, and then you can ask the people to be a text single field, or a text box, or it can be a checkbox list. So you can enter the values. For example, I will just show you an example. um, this is the event page which we just conducted a few days back. This is our event which we conduct in Dehradun. And over here you can see that I have a form by get response. Now my subscription, I have cancelled this particular subscription, so they say form is you can't submit over here. But when it was working, you can see that name, contact, email, school, college, class, oblique, here all the options were here. But see, I have entered this particular custom field, prefer registration slot. So I had multiple registration slots for my anyone who wanted to take part in the event, so they can choose their custom slot, and then they could enter the register button. So this can be done. And so you can enter any custom field. I will remove this thing. And what I will do is I will remove the other option as well. I will just go ahead with name and email. Alright, so I will click on the next step. And yeah, the page is coming up. And now what you can do is um, if you want to, like, whenever someone subscribes to your list, the name and email ID, then the default thank you page can be um, like this: stay on current page, and they will receive a thank you message over here, or the default thank you page. impress new subscribers by adding voice. And the most of the time, in fact 90% of the time, I use this particular option, custom thank you page. And for example, for this particular event, I was using this. um, Thank you. See, um, congratulations, you have now successfully registered for USP the Survivor. See, check your email for registration confirmation. So this was which I was using. So I will just copy the same page and put it over here. This is will be my thank you page for this particular list. And now what I will do is I will go to the next step, and now it will give you this app option, show HTML code. I will install the my web form, and this is my HTML code. What I will do is I will just select the code, and then I will go and put it into my website. So let me create a new web page in front of you, so it will be easier for you to understand. So uspyg.com/survivor/ this is the website for my event. So my event, this we organized in the month of October, and my next edition will be somewhere in around in the month of May. So currently this website is not under use, so I will use this. So I will go to create new page, optimize press. See, this is the WordPress panel, but as you can see, I'm using a plugin by the name optimize press. This is a fantastic plugin, and it gives me plenty of options to create anything which I want to create. So like, see, I have selected the blank page, and template style 1 full page. Yeah, use this page, and it is asking me to I will give it the name Madipreneur only, and it will create a new page for me by the name Madipreneur. I also have a tutorial for optimize press, so I will give the link below. So if you want to check the tutorial for optimize press, so you can go and check it, because this is a fantastic tool. It's a drag and drop tool, and over here you can create any kind of a page. For example, you want to create a sales page or a squeeze page or webinar page, anything, affiliate marketing page, anything you want to create, video page. So it can be done over here in just a matter of minutes. So I'm also using this tool. So what you can do is, see, you can add a new row, and one column row. I will go ahead with the one column row, and I will add a new element, and that element would be HTML shortcode, and here I will put the code. That's it. See, it is this simple, and it is done. And now what I will see is that the page has come up. Now a thank you page is created, and it is already there, but I will go back, and what I will do is I will go back to get response. This is a very important thing, so you need to pay close attention to it. See, this is my campaign, Madipreneur 12345. You need to click on this small settings button over here, and over here what you need to do is you can check this notification feature off, because if you don't want every time that a notification should come up to you that a person is subscribed to your list, so you can switch off this notification, or you can keep it open. Then the profile is cool, but for the permission you have to uncheck all these three options. What these three options mean, see, many times you would have seen that whenever you enter your email ID to a place, to any form, then it gives you the option, it asks you to go back to your email ID and confirm your subscription. But and that is called double opt-in. But in my case, I don't want it. I just want a single opt-in. In a single opt-in, what it means is that if someone subscribed to my list and it is done, they are now a subscriber. Because many times, around 20-30% time, what happens is that many people they don't prefer to go back to their email ID and confirm their subscription, because they keep it for later, so that we will do it later or any other reason. And then our potential lead, it actually we actually waste it. So rather than wasting any particular lead, I will prefer the single opt-in. So this has been selected as a single opt-in campaign, and now I will go back to my dashboard. And now what I need to do is whenever someone is subscribing to my list, so what I will do, I will send them a message. So what I will do is I will create a autoresponder. That is the complete tool is all about, creating the autoresponder. So now see, it has plenty of features, many features, and you can create autoresponders in it via these are few features which is available in Aweber but not in any other marketing platform as of now. I don't know, maybe 1 month later or 1 year later these features would be available, but you can send emails over here. This is for the advanced users. You can send email over here according to how many people opened. So you can actually send the action based emails, like how many people opened your email, so your new email will go to someone who did not open. So you can actually create a cycle. This is got a complete email cycle. So I'm not here to teach you email marketing, but uh, those who do it, they can easily understand what I am talking about. And see, on day 0, send immediately, yeah, create new email, and what my new email, okay, I will give it the name Madipreneur again, 12345, and the subject would be test email. Alright, and from, okay, you can change the from setting. I will keep it same. um, uh, See, although it is not recommended to use the email ID which is associated with Gmail. So when you are doing email marketing, it has to be done via a domain. For example, if you have a domain, for example, I have Bhatnagar.com. So when I will be sending an email, I will be sending it via this, because uh, 80 to 90% of your subscribers would be from Gmail only, would be using Gmail. And if you will be sending them via gmail.com, then Google is smart enough to understand that it has come via open source and not directly via Gmail. So it will automatically mark it as spam. So better not to do it, better send it via your own domain. And that is recommended, right? You want to make your website famous, so better do it via your own domain. So you can add new email address over here. So I won't do it right now, I will just show you the procedure. Okay, then you need to go to the next step, and see how much dynamic these people are. Today is 1st of November, and as you might be knowing that just 2 or 3 days back, the Halloween week went, and they have the templates for Halloween. So they provide you plenty of options. So this is cool, really cool. And I will start from the scratch. Alright, one column template, and see over here I have got all the options. I will delete these things, and I can put anything. For example, I want to put a text block, so I can put a text block over here, and I can write down anything over here. For example, I can put my name is Saurabh, and So you can put anything, whatever you want. And the trick is, see, the best part about this thing is that whenever subscribe to your list, you can send them the email via their first name. So this is the personalization option. So you, what you can do is you can click on the first name button. So for example, someone with the name Saurabh subscribes to your list, so he will receive a email that, hey Saurabh, this thing will automatically turn up to Saurabh, and then your content. In fact, what you can do is you can also put this personalization tag into your subject line, and putting the someone's name in the subject line actually helps you improve your open rate. So this is something which you can do. And see, this is the text block. You have many options over here. For example, um, you have various fonts which you can use, and other options like bold, italic, everything. And then you have the image block over here. So you can select any image over here. You can select images from here, or what you can do is you can put up your images. So that's completely up to you. For example, I will use this particular image. So this image will come up, and over here also you can see that you have this option to actually hyperlink with a particular link. So what you can do is, okay, uh, see, this is complete random, so I'm not doing anything to uh, for any promotion, but I'm just putting up the URL of my Facebook page. So whenever someone will receive this particular email and he or she will click on this particular photograph, so they will get redirected to my Facebook page. And similarly, this option you also have over here. So what I can do is, I can hyperlink this particular to a particular URL. So again, you have many options, and then you have this option, image plus text block. So this is recommended in the end, because if you are sending them the email, you can put up your image over here, and then you can, okay, I will put my image over here, upload from computer, and I guess in the document section I have a image of mine. Okay, I will use this particular image. See, it has come up, and over here I can write, so up Bhatnagar and Gaurav Matan. Image is small, and the Geeko Tech guys, that's what we call ourselves. So I mean, you can put your signature in the end, and then see, you have many options. You can actually put up a button, you can put up a horizontal ruler like, oh, this, and also it shows you how this particular email will look up in the mobile. So this gives you a fair idea. And image block, text block, pre-header, for example, you want it over here. Oh, sorry, this thing will come in the top. So this is also good. View this email online if it doesn't display correctly, because many browser don't support everything. So this is something which you can use in the top. And text block, image block, and then you have various options like social sharing. So you can actually put your social links and you can redirect it to your link, and you can actually ask people to buy from over here. You can put up your PayPal link over here, and history. So this is automatically getting saved, so ultimately we don't lose any data from here. So that's it, I guess. I will go to next step, and my email is created, my autoresponder is created, and whenever someone will subscribe to it, also they will receive this particular email on day 0. So whenever someone will subscribe, at that particular moment they will receive the email. So I will just save and publish it. Yeah. And then after this, what I can do is I can create new autoresponders in it, which will go to on the first day, second day, third day, fourth day. You can select any day. You can send it after in every alternate day, like first day, then third day, then fifth day, then seventh day. Because ultimately, if you are getting them to subscribe to your email list, you are doing it to send them emails. So you will be sending them multiple emails, and the recommended number of email that you send for a particular campaign is around 60 mails over a period of 120 days. So this is how you sell your products. So this is what will happen, and the email analytics option is available over here. So whenever you will send your email, so it will give you the option uh, to actually check the analytics. Like for example, you have send a particular email to 1000 people, and you can see that out of 1000, 200, 500, 700 people opened your mail, and after that how many people actually clicked on your link. For example, out of 500 people, just 100 people clicked on your link, so you can actually see that thing. And then based on that particular action, see, this is the advanced game. Based on that particular action, that 500 people did not open the mail, you can send them a different email, and those 400 people who did not click on the link, you can send them the different email. So this is what you can do. And for the contacts option, what you can do is you can go to the import contacts option. For example, you already have a email list. What you can do is you can actually import your contacts. You can upload a file in the CSV format or in the XLS format, and you can actually import your particular list of any amount of size. This will depend on the pricing, whatever you want to use. And then also you can send them your emails from this option, create newsletter. So you can create a newsletter and you can send the newsletter immediately, or you can send it, schedule it, or anything, and you can send it to your list, whether it is the opt-in list or your imported list. So this is it. I guess you would have gained a fair idea about using this particular tool, GetResponse. And I will highly recommend you to use GetResponse, because as you have already seen that it is very much easy to use, and it's a very good tool. And the delivery rate is 99%. I won't go with 100%, although I have received the 100% delivery rate, but even then I will say 99%, and it goes directly in, it never goes into spam. Obviously it will depend on your IP. If you will send spam messages, then it will automatically mark you as spam, but and even GetResponse will automatically ban you from sending emails. But this is one of the best tools, so you can use it. And that's it. And I will also provide you with the links below for the tutorial for Aweber, and the other email service providers links, so you can actually go and check the pricing over there, and whatever you feel suitable, you can use anything for your goals. And have a good day. Thank you.